If AI can solve homework in 3 seconds, does that make you a genius or a cheater? Let's be honest, AI is now sitting on every teen's desk, even when the teacher says it isn't. And yes, some of you use it like a vending machine for last-minute homework. But here's the real question. Is using AI cheating or just smart? Today we're going to break this down with zero judgment, zero panic, and zero back in my day energy. Because back in my day, the biggest cheat code was copying from the smartest friend in class and hoping they didn't change the numbers. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Most teens aren't using AI because they want to cheat. They use it because they're drowning. Coach, I have 6 deadlines, 3 quizzes, a group project, and a life. AI is my emotional support tool. Parents also feel confused. If my teen uses AI, are they learning anything at all? In schools, they're somewhere between fear, confusion, and pretending ChatGPT doesn't exist, which is adorable. The real problem. AI can solve the task, but not build your skill. Let's agitate this a little deeper. AI can generate an essay, write a solution, summarize chapters, solve equations, but it cannot replace the part of learning that actually builds a brain. Struggle to understanding memory skill. If AI does all the struggle for you, your brain basically clocks out for the day, goes to Bali, leaves you with a nice-looking assignment and zero long-term learning. And that becomes a trap. The work gets easier, but the tests get harder. Because teachers don't grade your AI, they grade your brain without AI. Before AI, hours of staring at a blank page, wondering why English essays exist. Googling how to math at midnight. Asking your friend for last year's homework for inspiration. After AI, homework finished in 3 minutes. But no practice, no thinking, no internalizing, and no muscle for solving problems alone. You traded speed for skill. And skill is the thing your future actually needs. Insight number 1. AI isn't cheating. Misusing AI is. There's a difference between using AI as a shortcut and using AI as a strategy. Shortcut equals, do this for me. Strategy equals, teach me how to do it better. So, how do you use AI without sabotaging your own learning? Let's make this simple. 3 levels, 3 outcomes, 3 mindsets. Level 1, AI as a teacher. Explain concepts simply. Ask AI, explain this like I'm 15 and stressed. Or, show me 3 examples, easiest to hardest. Yes, AI will be more patient than your actual teacher. Goal, understand the concept. Not goal, copy the output. Level 2, AI as a feedback coach. You write the answer first, then ask AI, fix my mistakes and tell me why. This builds the struggle to understanding pathway that makes knowledge stick. You do the work and AI becomes your editor, like Grammarly, but with a PhD and no subscription fee. Level 3, AI as practice partner. Ask AI to quiz you, challenge you, generate versions of the problem with different numbers. This is how you turn AI from a shortcut into a skill machine. Insight number 2. AI doesn't make you smarter. The way you use AI does. So when does AI cross the line into cheating? Cheating is simple to define. If AI does your homework and you pretend you did it, that's cheating. If AI writes your assignment and you add 1 typo to make it realistic, that's still cheating. If your brain wasn't involved, it isn't learning, it's outsourcing. Parents ask, so, should we ban AI? Parents just want to know one thing. Is AI helping or harming my teen's future? AI becomes harmful only when it replaces thinking, but AI becomes powerful when it enhances thinking. Parents, your role isn't to ban AI. It's to guide your teen to use it intelligently. Banning AI doesn't teach wisdom. It teaches hiding. Because if you ban it, they'll just use AI to write an essay about why banning AI is unethical. The real goal is guidance, not control. The world your teen will graduate into is not about memorizing answers. It's about knowing what to ask. which is ironic because AI is really good at answering. AI isn't the enemy. The enemy is passive learning. The goal is not a perfect homework sheet. The goal is a brain that works under pressure. Tests, conversations, projects, life. And AI, used wisely, can get you there faster. One teacher opens the door, but you must walk through it yourself. AI opens many doors. You still have to do the walking. Insight number 3. AI is not a replacement for effort. It's a multiplier of good effort. Bad effort multiplied is still bad learning. Good effort multiplied becomes powerful. Same tool, different outcome. Fast isn't always smart. Strong beats fast in the long run. So the real answer to our question is simple. AI is cheating when it replaces your mind. AI is smart when it expands your mind. Same tool, different brain behind it. Insight number 4. Choose strength over speed. Choose the version of you that gets stronger, not just faster. Faster isn't better if you get weaker. Strong learners last longer. So here's the real takeaway. Use AI to learn, not to hide. Let AI sharpen your thinking, not replace it. If this helped shift your perspective, follow StickMind for more videos that make studying and thinking a little smarter.